Welcome back to TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2019, where St. Jude's Primary is on 24 points, Montego Bay Prep on 22 points. Time now for the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams earn 2 points for each correct answer. They lose 2 for each incorrect answer or if they answer before being identified. This section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on our NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock. We begin. All the best teams. We begin with regional affairs. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify which country's national flag is displayed. St. Jude's.
Dominican Republic. Dominican Republic.
That's correct. Sports. Which English Premier League football team is known as the Blues? St. Jude's.
The Indians.
The Indians.
That's incorrect. It's Chelsea or Everton. Bible knowledge. How many chapters are in the Gospel of Matthew in the Bible? 28. Science. What's the general name for a material that takes up or soaks up a substance easily? St. Jude's.
Malleable.
That's incorrect. It's absorbent. English language. Form an adjective from the word affection. St. Jude's.
Affectionate.
Affectionate.
Or affectionless. That's correct. Music. In which of his songs did Bob Marley say he did not shoot the deputy? Montego Bay.
I shot the sheriff.
I shot the sheriff.
That's correct. General knowledge. What are the 4 intermediate coordinates of a compass? St. Jude's.
Northeast.
Northeast, south, and west.
That's incorrect. It's northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Television, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. It's Solange. Mathematics. A man left home at 11:49 a.m. and arrived at work at 1:12 p.m. How long was his journey in hours and minutes? Mobe Prep. It's 1 hour and 23 minutes. Social studies. The second largest reef in the world is a Mobe Prep.
Australia.
Barrier Reef off the coast of which CARICOM member state? Belize is the correct answer. That's incorrect. Television. In the children's series, The Power Rangers, what was the name of the mentor and leader of the Rangers? Mobe Prep.
Zordon.
Who gave them their powers? That is correct. Sports is a visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. Mobe Prep.
Gareth Bale.
Gareth Bale.
International footballer. That's correct. Bible knowledge. Who was the sister of Laban? It's Rebecca. Science. What's the general name for a substance that expands to fill any space available? It's gas. English language. Spell the word ferocious. St. Jude's.
Ferocious. Ferocious.
That is right. Music, which musical term means to perform once more or again? St. Jude's.
Encore. Encore.
That's right. General knowledge. If you were born in the city of Liverpool in England and continued to reside there, what general name would be used to describe you? It's Liverpudlians. Local affairs. The JAS assists farmers in Jamaica. What does the abbreviation JAS stand for? Mobe Prep?
Jamaica Agricultural Service.
That's incorrect. It's the Jamaica Agricultural Society. Mathematics. What's the reciprocal of 7 squared? Mobe?
1/49.
That's right. Social studies. In which tourist resort town in Jamaica is Turtle Beach? That the bell came first. It would have been Ocho Rios. Bible knowledge. What? And no time for that question. The bell signifies the end of the match, and the scores are Montego Bay Prep on 24 points, St. Jude's Primary on 26 points. That means congratulations to you, St. Jude's Primary, and excellent effort by you, Montego Bay Prep. We wrap things up when we get back.